Students, observe the 52 question. If x greater than 0, mod x value is x less than 0, mod x value minus x. Now in between 2 and 3 take any value. So substitute in modulus. If you got positive, directly you can write same value. And here also you will get positive only x minus 2. Okay, so put brackets. But last function, see that mod x minus 3. If you are taken between 2 and 3, any value you will get negative. So you can write minus of x minus 3. Now do the calculation and apply the integration, you will get the answer. So here minus x plus x cancel, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Remaining is only x, integration x dx. Integration x dx means that is x square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Which option is correct? Third option. Here you have to remember it. If x value, for suppose take 2.5, mod of x minus 1 value is, mod of x minus 1 value is, you will get x minus 1 only. Mod of x minus 2 value, you will get x minus 2 only. Mod of x minus 3, if you are substituted in place of x 2.5, here you will get negative inside the modulus. If x less than 0, mod x value is minus x. So this is minus of x minus 3. So by observing these conditions we are applied, we got the answer. 53 question. Integration 4 into e power x plus 6 into e power minus x divided by 9 into e power x minus 4 into e power minus x dx. This is equal to ax plus b into logarithm of 9 into e power 2x plus c plus d. Then descending order of a comma b comma c. Here already we know that shortcut formula, integration a e power x plus b e power minus x by c e power x plus d e power minus x. General method how to do means numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator, and in place of numerator substitute this value and calculate, you will get. Or shortcut method, this is, here is plus, here is mistake, this is a plus. Now observe that by using shortcut formula I am going to do that. First identify that a value, that is 4, b value 6, c value 9, and d value minus 4. These are the values. Now these values substitute in shortcut formula, that is equal to 1 by 2 into a by c, that is 4 by 9, plus b by d, b is 6, d is minus 4, that's why I am written minus here, into x, plus 1 by 2 into a by c, 4 by 9, minus b by d, those value will come negative, so that is positive overall, 6 by 4, logarithm of modulus, what we get, denominator, that is 9 e power x minus 4 into e power minus x plus c. So here identify that what is a value, and this logarithm we can calculate, logarithm of modulus e power minus x, right, 1 by e power x, 1 by e power x, then what happens, see, 9 e power 2x minus 4 divided by e power x plus c. Okay, and numerator, first two terms, how to write those? 1 by 2. What is the LCM here? 36. 16 minus 54 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 36. 16 plus 54. Okay. Now calculate this. 16 minus 54. How much? Here x is forgot. Write the x. 16 minus 54. That is minus 38. 2 19s are 38. We get minus 19 by 36 into x plus 16 plus 54. 60, 70. 2 35s are 70. 35 by 36 into logarithm of modulus 9 into e power 2x minus 4 minus log a by b, like that is say now. Log e power x. X is coming in front of the logarithm. So you will get like this. Plus c. Now see here. Minus x is there. Already outside also minus 19 by 36 x is there. This is overall minus 19 by 36 minus 35 by 36 into x plus 35 by 36 logarithm of modulus 9 e power 2x minus 4 plus c. Now by comparing the question and answer, a value 36 is the LCM. Numerator will come 40 minus 54 and b value 35 by 36 and c value minus 4. They are asking descending order. In descending order, decreasing order. What is the big value here? B only. After B, next will come A. Next C. I think final answer is BAC. Descending order, that is BAC. C is minus 4, that is small value. Students, all of you understood now? See the question number 54. First see that inside the value. So I am going to take the common x. X common. Then what is remaining means 1 minus 11c1 into x plus 11c2 into x square minus 11c3 into x cube plus and so on. The last term should be 11c11 x power 11. This is. Now we know that formula in binomial theorem. This is 1 minus x whole power 11 expansion 11c0 minus 11c1 into x plus 11c2 into x square minus 11c3 into x cube plus and so on. Last term will be minus 11c11 x power 11. This is a expansion, binomial expansion. So 11c0 value, that should be 1 minus 11c1 into x plus remaining terms are same minus 11C11 x power 11. This is not difficult, easy formula only. It is there in binomial theorem. Okay. Now in place of that, substitute that formula. Integration x into 1 minus x whole power 11 dx. Now how to do this? 1 minus x is equal to take t minus dx is equal to dt. Now what is x here? 1 minus t is equal to x. Those values substitute in the question. We get answer easily. Integration x means 1 minus t into t power 11 dx means minus dt. Here multiply with t power 11 and minus also. Overall you will get this is t power 12 minus t power 11 dt. T power 12 means integration t power 12, t power 13 by 13 minus t power 11 means t power 12 by 12 plus c. In place of t, substitute 1 minus x. 1 minus x whole power 13 divided by 13 minus 1 minus x whole power 12 divided by 12 plus c. This is the answer. Students, see the question number 55. X square plus sine square x into secant square x divided by 1 plus x square. Integration 1 by tan square x plus secant square x dx. Students, how to do this? How to do this problem? Tell me. Numerator and denominator multiply with secant square x or any alternative method? Okay. Now this is integration secant square x multiplied in numerator, then denominator tan square x plus denominator secant square x is there. Secant square x formula 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx. Numerator and denominator multiplied with secant square x. Now this is integration secant square x dx divided by 1 plus 2 tan square x secant square x, again we can write 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Now here onwards how to do we know very well. Let tan x is equal to t secant square x dx is equal to dt. Follow this step, we get answer very easily. Integration dt by denominator 1 plus 2t square into 1 plus t square. So here we want to do that partial fractions. Without partial fraction also we can solve this. Now see 1 plus 2t square 1 plus t square. Here 2, here 1, subtract. So this is, if you are getting doubt, go to the reverse. Go to the reverse. Take the LCM. What happened? 1 plus 2t square into 1 plus t square. Then numerator, what happened? 2 into 1 plus t square. That is 2 plus 2t square minus 1 minus 2t square. See, minus 2t square plus 2t square cancel. 2 minus 1, 1. So whatever we are taken, it is correct or not? Right. Now 2 into integration 1 by 1 plus. This is root 2t whole square dt minus integration 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Now apply the integration formula. What we get? 2 into, what is the formula? What we can apply here? 1 by a. So that means a value is 1, tan inverse x by a, that is tan inverse root 2t, but t coefficient is root 2, right, in denominator, minus this is tan inverse t plus c. See the calculation, 2 by root 2 means that is root 2 tan inverse root 2, tan t means what? Tan x minus tan inverse of tan x plus c. This is the answer. So which option is correct, students? Third option is correct.